The new trading week has kicked off with oil growth expectations. As for the Russian currency, the dynamics are rather sluggish. Let's consider the situation in more detail so that you are aware of all the events. The commodity market continues to demonstrate moderate activity. Nevertheless, oil prices keep moving up. The main driver of this growth is still hopes of a rapid global economic recovery and a rebound in the world energy demand. In other words, an uptrend in the oil market is attributed to market participants' unconditional belief in positive changes. However, oil prices are currently even above pre-pandemic and pre-crisis levels. The oil market seems to be highly overheated due to the speculative excitement. Therefore, oil prices are at a risk of collapsing. Brent crude is moving along an ascending line and has already hit a new local high. The price of the European Brent will most likely move towards the new peak in the form of the $80 mark. In the meantime, Brent crude oil futures are trading at $75 per barrel. As for the US West Texas Intermediate, the situation is similar. The price has already consolidated above $74.10 per barrel. Moreover, the benchmark continues to gain in value. If the momentum persists, WTI crude may break through the local high of 2018. From June 16 to June 21st, the Russian ruble managed to recoup about half of its early losses against the US dollar. The pair's correction was limited by the resistance level of 73.35. Experts admit that in this situation, the US dollar still has a chance to recover. To move further in this direction, the quotes need to break through the support level of 72. In case of its breakout, the price is expected to approach the range of 71.75–71.55 rubles per dollar. The euro versus the ruble pair is on track to hit a new local low. In order for the Russian currency to reverse, the quotes need to fix below the level of 85.75 rubles per euro, analysts note. Notably, the ruble is stuck in a very narrow price range. Moreover, the Russian currency has been trading within it for almost 2 trading days. Apparently, the reason is that the macroeconomic calendar is almost bereft of any important releases. There are simply no factors that could affect the currency's dynamics. This also applies to other currencies. The foreign exchange market has nearly stalled. Moreover, this situation is expected to continue until the middle of this week, as really significant macroeconomic data to be released at this time will most likely revive the market. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.